But first, I'll start off just to introduce myself. I'm Brian Rogers. I'm the head of product for Augmate. I also am the co-chair and founder of Columbia University's Blockchain Alliance, doing some guest lecturing at Columbia University's Business School as well. So let's see. Should be coming up here in a second. Well, while they're getting the slides up, let me just start off to talk about what Augmate is. So we started to look at IoT from the ground up. And what this really means for ground up is we have a platform that we've worked with, and we'd really like to get the slides up here so I can show you guys. Oh. Okay, there we go. Excellent. Okay. So anyways, getting back to the device management from the ground up. What this means is over the last 4 years, we've had the luxury of actually hearing from customers and understanding what works and what doesn't work in connected devices. So through this learning, we started to work on a platform developing that will harness the use of blockchain and artificial intelligence, and most importantly, security around IoT devices. So as you know, this is a very crowded space, and a lot of people have a lot of confusion about what exactly is IoT, what are these platforms. Our approach we've taken with our platform is really more to consolidate a lot of these features of blockchain and IoT. So some of the key learnings that we have found is in smart devices, you have most of these devices don't speak with one another. Another one is there's no single platform that allows us to communicate with these devices and going across different protocols. Mobile device management is really more about locking down IoT devices. We are really more about enabling. So what enabling means is we build policies around these devices. We can create an output that can be sent to a device with the rules. So let's say you want to give specific access within a DC for the IoT device, geofencing, for instance, or level of certification for the user. And also lastly, the last learning we had was there's no easy way that these users can scale. So one thing we've heard from a lot of companies that we've worked with has been they want to roll out thousands of these devices. I mean, you've probably heard in the news that a number of large retailers are using VR, and they release thousands of these devices, but there's really no easy way of managing these devices at scale. So really the big problem that we've identified is device management is really the issue, and something that Gartner agrees with us on. So we were looking to build a platform that is really kind of an ecosystem that allows eventually third-party developers to come in and build applications. But as a starting point, we've built out a couple of really interesting platforms. So we've taken our wearable environment manager for smart glasses. We've also built out a marketplace for trusted applications down to these devices. For future development, we'll do predictive maintenance and other interesting applications on this. So last year was a cool year for us. So Gartner ranked us as a cool vendor. We're very proud of this. This is something we've worked very hard with. We've built a pretty amazing team. We've got people from IBM, Cisco, GE. We have engineers from MIT working on this platform as well. So thank you so much.